I can heal that. I can heal you. I can set you free because visuals are so powerful. This is you. That's right. It's what you look like in your heart. The only problem with that is we've been that way for 20 years. Didn't know how to get free. That some of us, we've been demoed by people. And we've stood around and said, but I want to be new. I want to be healed. I want to be whole. But if we don't make an effort to purchase countertops, pick out colors, consciously rebuild, that'll stay just like that. But today it requires an effort.